What's up, y'all? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm just doing a short little review on this hair that I have in my head. I installed it like a day ago, and I literally just thought yesterday, like, why don't I do a review on this hair? Because first of all, it is a synthetic wig. And I'm gonna look at my phone just to read like the actual name of it. But I got it from Amazon, you guys. And yes, it's synthetic. This is, hold on. And I've had this wig before, but I bought it a second time because it was that cute. And I just decided, like, let me review it. So this is the Sensational Lace Front Wig Cloud 9 Wet Lace Swiss Lace 13x6 frontal wig, and the name of it is Brielle, and I got it in the color Flamoyage Caramel. So the color is like this brown, but it has highlights in it. As y'all can see, there's like almost blonde and caramel, just a whole bunch of shades of brown, and it's super cute. And like I said, it is synthetic, and I'm just gonna show y'all a picture. I don't think it's gonna be clear enough on here, but I'll put a picture up there of what it looks like on the picture or whatever. And I'll also put a picture of what it looks like in the box because I don't have the packaging. But basically, when you get the wig just comes in a box. It's just the wig itself, nothing else. You just get the wig, but it comes curly like it is in the picture, and this is it straightened. But I just straightened it today, and this is just a good quality synthetic wig. Like I said, I've had it before. And I guess the only things that I can say are, first of all, when you get the wig, it is a little thick, in my opinion. So for me, I had to thin this wig out. So when I got it, I basically just took my scissors and thinned it out because it was not this thin at first. It was probably like, I don't know, it's just really thick, almost like unnaturally thick. So I had to thin it out myself. Of course, I plucked the front of it a little bit. I feel like all wigs need a little bit of plucking before you put them on, so I did that. But honestly, if you're not a plucker or anything and you don't like customizing and you just want to plop it on, it probably could work like that too. Like, honestly, the lace looks really good. Again, since it's a synthetic wig, you know, the knots are not bleached. Like, I didn't even put makeup in the cap. I just plopped it on, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good. It's pretty long. I don't know exactly how long it is. I'm super short, but you can't see, but it touches. It comes to about my waist, and I also had to cut the hair. So it was thick and it was longer than this, and this is already touching my waist. So it probably went to like my butt, and I didn't want it that long, so I cut it and I thinned it out. But it's super nice. It's super silky. With synthetic wigs, you know, the backlash, I guess, for them is that, you know, they don't last and they tangle really quickly, which is true. But I feel like as long as you maintain your synthetic wig, you'll be fine. Like I said, this came curly, and once I brushed the curls out, it was a little crazy looking. But I flat ironed it today, and it's super smooth. A comb runs through it easily. There's no tangling, at least for now. As y'all can see, it's going through it really smooth. One thing I will say is that, you know, it's not human hair. You can't treat it exactly like human hair. So if you ever want to curl this wig, like, I couldn't take my flat iron and make curls with this because they would just fall and not hold. So I will say that with synthetic wigs, you would probably, in order to get the curl back, you would probably have to use some type of like dry curling method, like using rollers or flexi rods. That'll be your best bet if you want to get the curl back, which is not bad because, you know, we do those on human wigs as well, so it's not a downfall for me. But this wig was super cheap. I didn't even say that in the beginning. It was only $50. And you know, every now and then, I'm not finna spend $200-300 every time I want to change my hair, you know? And this is cute. Like, you get the color, you get the length, you get the lace, you get the frontal. It just takes like a little bit more maintenance and work or whatever. But like I said, I had purchased this before, and I had that wig for like a good couple months. Like, I would literally just wear it. When it got like, you know, frizzy or messed up, I'd wash it, blow dry it, and do whatever I needed to do to it, and it was fine. So yeah, I've bought at least 3 or 4 different sensational wigs. I'm not new to the synthetic wig community, but I just wanted to make a review and shout them out real quick and introduce people, or, you know, whoever, to synthetic wigs, because I feel like they get a lot of like backlash, and it's like, oh, you know, synthetic wigs are almost seen as like a broke habit. But like, girl, if I can look like this on a budget, I'ma do it. All right, one thing I'ma do is save some money. Okay, yeah. So that is really it. I just wanted to talk about this wig because it is super cute and I love it. And actually, coming soon, I'm gonna be applying another synthetic wig. It's a different brand, but I'm gonna apply it on camera and show y'all that. And it's also a cute color, and I'm gonna do it for Christmas, so that video is coming. But I just wanted to do a review on them. Sensationnel, if y'all wanna, you know, send me free wigs to review, definitely do that, you know. I support y'all's company. Would love to have y'all support me back. Just a little plug in there. But anyway, yeah, that is it for this video. That was just a short, quick little something. I just wanted to talk about this wig, put y'all on. I'll put the link below. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like this video, comment, anything. It all helps. Subscribe, of course, share this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.